Hi everybody!
Hello!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about two words that are very similar and the meaning is very similar, but the way we use them is sometimes a little bit different and they can be tricky.
What are the words, Nick?
The words are safe
And secure.
Oh, tip tops got the tips.
So, as we said, the words are very similar and sometimes you hear them used together, safe and secure. But there are some times when only one word is really suitable for the situation. For example, with safe, we often use it when we're talking about people or animals, and we're talking about protecting them from accidents or dangers. Whereas
Secure is used differently. So that means you use them with products or technology, so that saves you from crime, so to speak. You see, at a company, you have lots of technology and Wi-Fi, for instance, and this needs to be secure.
Absolutely. And a company is a great example for both of the words,
Exactly.
actually.
Yes.
Because in a company, we always have the health and safety policy. You know, people are not allowed to run, people have to wear eye protection to keep them safe from
The
accidents.
goggles.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So we're talking about safety, people and accidents. Whereas you also find not only the technological security, but maybe at a company they have security guards.
Exactly, the security guards they have to have. Yes.
Yeah.
Or
To
you
keep
can
it safe from crime.
Exactly. Or the safe. I mean, when you take your bicycle, right? Or if you are on the plane.
Yeah. So on a bicycle, I wear my helmet to keep me safe. On an aeroplane, what would you do to keep yourself safe?
My belt.
You wear your
My
seatbelt.
belt, my seat belt, and this is secure. You know, it should be secure.
Yeah, that's another use for the word secure,
Yes.
which means that things are not going to move easily. They stay in one place and they are stable in that place. If you're moving house and maybe you pack your things into the van and you don't want them to move, you make sure that they are secure
Yeah, exactly.
and also safe.
Yeah,
So that's an
that-
example of safe and secure. And we always use them in this order, safe and secure.
Secure. Exactly.
So just a quick recap. Safe we use for people and animals to protect them from accidents.
And secure we use for products and technology to protect them from crime.
We hope that's been useful for you guys. If you liked it, please let us know down below and follow us, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, tip top. Oh, tip top. Oh, tip tops got the tips.